Hello and welcome to Science with Funny Gateway. Today we're going to be talking about matter. What is matter? Any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. All matter is made up of very small particles. The manner in which these particles are arranged within matter results in three different states of matter, known as solid, liquid, and gas. What is solids? In solids, the particles are tightly packed and so cannot move away from each other. This is why solids generally have a fixed size. In the example we have here, all the particles are tightly packed together, but they are still moving because every single particle in matter always is constantly moving and never stops. What is liquids? In liquids, the particles are not as tightly packed as in solids. They can move and slide over each other. This makes liquids flow and take the shape of the container they are poured into. In this example, all the particles are not tightly packed together and moving more rapidly than the solids particles. What is gases? In gases, the particles are far apart from each other and can move freely, so gases flow easily and take up all the available space. In this example, we have all the particles moving at a rapid pace, and none of the particles are all stacked together. This is the difference between solids, liquids, and gaseous particles. What is change of state? Matter can change its form from one state to another. One way is evaporation, the second way is condensation, the third way is melting, and the fourth way is solidification. What is evaporation? When water gets heated, it changes into water vapor, which is its gaseous form. Changing of a liquid into its gaseous form is called evaporation. In this example, we see water in a hot pan and we see gas coming from the water. The gas is called water vapor. What is condensation? When the freely flowing particles of water vapor touch a cold surface, they cool down. Changing of a gas into liquid is called condensation. In this photo, we have gas flowing into a cold substance and making water, which is a liquid. What is melting? When an ice cube is taken out of the refrigerator, it melts gradually. Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. In this example, we have ice, which is a solid, and we have liquid water. The process of melting requires energy, and so does the process of freezing needs process of releasing energy. It turns from solid ice to liquid water. What is solidification? Changing of liquid into its solid form is called solidification. We all know that water forms ice upon freezing. Freezing is a type of solidification. In this example below, we see a water bottle that has been frozen into ice. Solutions. When two substances mix together such as that they are evenly distributed, a solution is formed. The substance that dissolves is called the solute, and the substance which it dissolves in is called the solvent. Solids dissolve in liquids. This type of solution is formed when the solute is solid and the solvent is liquid. For example, sugar and salt are a solution to liquid, to water. Because when you mix sugar or salt in water, the sugar or salt will disappear or dissolve in the water. Liquid dissolves in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute and solvent are both liquids. For example, milk and water. When you mix milk and water, the water will dissolve and mix in together with the milk. Gas dissolves in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute is gas and the solvent is liquid. For example, carbonated drinks. In carbonated drinks, you can see bubbles which are formed by gas. When you either shake or open the carbonated drinks, the gas either dissolves or starts flying above out of the glass or bottle in which it's contained in. Gas dissolves in gas. This type of solution is formed when the solute and solvent are both gases. For example, a mixture of different gases. When a mixture of different gases are together, the more dense gas will be the victor over the less dense gas, because the less dense gas will probably float up higher into the air, but the more dense gas will stay where it is or go below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Science with Funny Gateway.